Hello everyone, পোনপ্ৰথমতে মহিমাৰ ইউটিউব চেনেল ক্লাছ 10 to 12 লৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছো। আজি আমি দ্বাদশ শ্ৰেণীৰ ইংলিছৰ কুৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ 2024 কুৱেশ্চন পেপাৰখন সলিউশন কৰিবলৈ লৈছো। অনলি গ্ৰামাৰ সলিউশন কৰি দিয়া হ'ব। গতিকে ভিডিওটো ভাল পালে এটা শেয়াৰ মাৰি দিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা। গতিকে চাওচোন কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্চন আহিছিল গ্ৰামাৰত। প্ৰথম চাইছো গ্ৰামাৰ, প্ৰথম আহিছিল নেৰেশন। এতে চাব পাৰিছা ফুল মাৰ্ক 20 থাকে। प्रथम आइसिल ग्रामार चेंज the form of the narration of any two of the following sentence 4 mark आसिल प्रथम क्वेश्चन दिया से M Hamel said my children this is the last lesson I shall give you the order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine এটো narration direct दिया से indirect লৈ লব লাগে উত্তৰটো হ'ব M Hamel told his children that was the last lesson he would give them. He further told that the order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. Tarbisot next question asil. Oditi asked Raju if his sister was at home. Raju replied that she was not. She had gone shopping with their mother was. এটো ইনডাইৰেক্ট নেৰেশনত দিয়া আছে ডাইৰেক্ট লৈ আনিব লাগে উত্তৰ হ'ব অদিতি said to Raju eat your sister at home Raju replied no she is gone shopping with our mother তাৰ পিছত নেক্সট আহিছিল he said to me how long will you stay here I replied that I would stay for a week এটো ডাইৰেক্ট নেৰেশনত দিয়া আছে ইনডাইৰেক্ট লৈ ল'ব লাগে উত্তৰ হ'ব he asked me how long I would stay there I said I will stay for a week. Tarbisot next ahisil change the voice of the any three of following sentences. Eto 3 mark asil. Prothom diya ase she likes sweets. Uttor hobo sweets is liked by her. Tarbisot next proshno the man narrated me a story. Uttor hobo I was narrated a story by the man. Tarbisot next proshno asil who will build the cat uttor hobo by whom will the cat be built tar bisot next ase don't spread the rumor uttor to dekhaisu uttor to hobo let the rumor not be spread sabarisa tar bisot next asil the baby is being taken care of the maid uttor hobo the maid is taking care of the baby tar bisot next the tree has been uprooted uttor hobo the wind has uprooted the tree tar bisot next proshno asil rewrite any 5 of the following sentences using the verbs given in brackets in their correct forms 5 mark ase characterize koribo lage prothom proshno you bracket go to attend the party tonight uttor ki hobo are you going to attend the party tonight Tabisot next if you have gone there you meet the celebrities uttor hobo if you have gone there you will have meet the celebrities Tabisot next don't linear we run out of time uttor hobo don't linear we will run out of time Tabisot next proshno they finish the course by next month uttor hobo they will have finished the course by next month Tabisot next proshno it's snow many time every winter in Frankfurt uttor hobo it snows many times every winter in Frankfurt Tabisot Jane wear her blue jeans today but usually she wears a skirt or a dress uttor hobo Jane is wearing her blue jeans today but usually she wears a এটো শার্ট হবো এটো বানান অলপ এটোর স্পেলিং ভুল হইছে এটো শার্ট হবো অর এ ড্রেস তার পিছত নেক্সট প্রশ্ন মিল্ক বি হোয়াইট তো হবো মিল্ক ইজ হোয়াইট ইজি আছিল তার পিছত নেক্সট প্রশ্ন I do a lot of work today উত্তর হবো I have done a lot of work today তার পিছত rewrite any four of the following sentences filling in the blanks with appropriate preposition কৰিব দিছে ইয়াত 4 mark আছে দিকে চাইলোৱা কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ preposition আহিছিল প্ৰথম আহিছিল you can place the book the table উত্তৰ হ'ব you can place the book on the table on হ'ব তাৰপিছত next second world war broke on 1st September উত্তৰ হ'ব কি এটো আউট হ'ব ব্ৰক আছে গতিকে আউট তাৰপিছত next he is fond chocolate উত্তৰ হ'ব fond of fondৰ লগত of হয় গতিকে fond of তাৰপিছত next প্ৰশ্ন patriotism consists the honesty of service উত্তৰ হ'ব patriotism consists in হ'ব the honesty of service তাৰপিছত next one should not be blind one's mistake উত্তৰ হ'ব 2 তাৰপিছত next Hitler took advantage jingoism উত্তৰ হ'ব 2 তাৰপিছত next I have full confidence your ability উত্তৰ হ'ব in your ability তাৰপিছত next প্ৰশ্ন rewrite any four of the following sentences as directed 4 marks আছিল প্ৰথম প্ৰশ্ন I know his birthplace turn into simple sentence লৈ লব দিছে answer হ'ব I know where he was born তাৰপিছত next if you do not study hard you will fail এটো L হ'ব fail mark it a compound sentence উত্তৰ হ'ব study hard on you will fail ঠিক আছে তাৰপিছত next প্ৰশ্ন he leads a most unhappy life turn into exclamatory sentence what an unhappy life he leads তাৰপিছত next very few metals are as precious as gold এটো চেঞ্জ কৰিব দিছে comparative degree লৈ উত্তৰ হ'ব gold is more precious than many other metals তাৰপিছত next only Anita can do this এটো negative sentence লব দিছে without changing কোনো ধৰণৰ চেঞ্জ নকৰাকৈ উত্তৰ হ'ব none but Anita can do this none but Anita can do তাৰপিছত next who does not wish to be happy make a assertive sentence লৈ লব দিছে উত্তৰ হ'ব everybody wishes to be happy তাৰপিছত next প্ৰশ্ন though he was poor he was happy make it a simple sentence উত্তৰ হ'ব he was poor but happy তেও দুখিয়া কিন্তু আজি ভিডিওটো যদি ভাল লাগিছে এটা শেয়াৰ মাৰি দিবলৈ নাভাৰিবা থ্যাংক ইউ